Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share Mangalore special Neer Dosa with millet. This dosa is very light, soft, easily digestible and good for all age groups. Millet Neer Dosa is specially good for diabetic, obese and hypertensive people. Let us see how to prepare Millet Neer Dosa. Here I have taken 1 cup of Kodo millet. You can use any millet of your choice. Wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. Millet is gluten free. It contains high fiber and low glycemic index and all essential vitamins and minerals. With these qualities, it is specially good for diabetic, obese and hypertensive people. After 8 hours of soaking, we have to transfer this millet into blending jar. For this, I am adding 1/4 cup of grated coconut. By adding millet soaked water, grind it to form smooth paste. Millet soaked water contains lots of minerals and essential micronutrients. Millet and water ratio is 1:2, so add more water. Neer dosa means water dosa, so batter should be more watery. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste and give a good mix. This is the perfect consistency of the batter. Now heat cast iron tawa on medium flame. Apply gingerly oil and make dosa like this. Spread the batter as thin as possible, then you will get perfect dosa. Cover and cook for few seconds. Here we are cooking only on one side. Now the dosa is cooked perfectly. Flip the dosa and place it upside down. You can see the lacy texture of the dosa. This dosa will be very soft. Now fold the dosa like this. And this dosa goes well with any side dish of your choice. Super healthy Millet Neer Dosa is ready to serve. Serve your family healthy breakfast. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.